Next up is Try My UI. With Try My UI, you are testing websites either on your mobile device or your desktop computer and giving honest feedback about your experience using that website. And the testing consists of you doing various tasks on the website or the mobile app and giving honest feedback about what you liked or disliked about your experience. And all this is happening while your screen and voice is being recorded. Basically, you're going to be doing a live review of that website or mobile app. So I would say this is very easy, and each test will earn you about $10 and will take you about 20 to 30 minutes to complete, with no limit to how many tests you can take per day. And payments are sent every Friday to your PayPal account. And so while you're technically not getting paid every day, you are still getting paid at least once a week. And this method is significantly better than taking surveys on sites like Swagbucks. Getting started, as always, is super easy. All you have to do is head over to the website and click on Get Paid to Test, create an absolutely free account and start making money. And Try My UI is a very solid website.